Hi there, this is Mr. Chinky Tan.
Hello, I am Novi Antan. Good day to each and everyone who's watching this video. As a parent, for almost 7 years now in Faith Academy, it's really a privilege. Actually, it's really a blessing. Chinky and I didn't really plan to enroll, but God has really placed us in a very strategic place, which is in the area of Penny Lane.
Yeah.
Because we're doing homeschooling for about more than 10 years now. And I was thinking, oh, maybe I will not do conventional school. But when I discovered Faith, because I still remember 7 years ago, they had this open house. And I was really, really excited with all the things that they have shared, especially with all the testimonies of the other parents and also the other missionary friends that we have talked to.
At the same time, I just feel especially when there's most of the time it's the parents who chooses the school for their kids.
It's true.
But the problem is it's not the parents who's going to go to school every single day.
Yes.
Even if we want to enroll them at a certain school, but if our kids doesn't really love learning and doesn't enjoy really the school, the company, it's also futile. However, the good news is this. All our kids, they really love Faith Academy. Yes. They love the teachers, they love the classmates, they love the environment, they love the culture. And for us, it's such really a blessing to see kids excited to go to school.
Yes, it's true. I remember that.
Yeah, tell the story.
Yeah, I remember. I think that was the first day. My son was really jumping because he was really excited to be in that big community, because from homeschool, okay, when we had that open house, he was really excited to all the features, all the community that's being presented to us. And when we immerse ourselves on our first year, I saw how big the community is. And not only that, no, even the leaders of Faith Academy, I'm so impressed because their communication level is so, how can I say this? How can I say that?
It's so consistent, intimate, very proactive.
Very proactive. They're really open. They listen not only to our kids, but to also to us parents. So they listen to every bit of our suggestions, no matter what.
And then one last story I cannot forget is for my eldest daughter during the time, because it's very rare for Faith to call off, like for example, to suspend classes, especially even if there's an earthquake, intensity 10, even if there's a big typhoon, classes still goes on. So there was one time that Faith really indeed suspended because of a big typhoon. And my daughter said, it's impossible, I still want to go to school. She was really insisting until such time. I was so frustrated and I told her, why don't you call your teacher right now? And then ask your teacher, do you really have school? And then when she spoke to the teacher, that's the time she was convinced that there was no school.
Yes.
So that's how our kids really love Faith. And we're so thankful and grateful.
Yes.
People of faith, especially the missionaries who are investing their lives.
Yes.
And coming here to the Philippines to train new students, we are so blessed to be part of this community.
Yes. And one thing is, we are not saying that Faith Academy is a perfect school. It's not. But what we experience as a family, when there are conflicts, they know how to handle conflicts.
Mm-hmm.
And not only that, they're creating a safe environment. And that's what we want for our family. Because we as homeschoolers, we are really hands-on with our kids. So, being that big community, they make that as a safe place, and that is what we are looking for.
So thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you very much, Faith, for allowing us to be part of the community.
Yes, thank you so much for just being the opportunity, and more years to come with you guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Okay na yan, no?